Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy fudge with condensed milk. This simple guide will help you create a delightful treat with minimal effort. You only need 3 core ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, your preferred chocolate chips, and a touch of butter. Gathering these items is the first step to crafting a rich, creamy fudge that everyone will love. It is a quick and satisfying dessert to prepare. Next, combine your chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat this mixture in the microwave for 1 minute. After the first minute, stir thoroughly. Continue heating in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until the mixture is completely smooth and all ingredients are fully melted together. This ensures a consistent texture. Once your fudge mixture is smooth, quickly pour it into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. This lining makes removal much easier later on. Use a spatula to spread the fudge evenly across the pan, creating a flat, uniform surface. Then, place the pan in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the fudge to firm up properly. After the fudge has thoroughly chilled and become firm, remove it from the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board and use a sharp knife to cut it into desired squares, typically 1-inch pieces. This easy fudge is now ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or in the refrigerator for longer freshness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.